Hi, welcome to CodeChappy. Today we're going to see the demo for eVigilance complaint management system app using Android Studio. Let's see how to start the Android project. It is for only student purpose only. First, I will explain the delivery folders. These are the delivery folders. First, Android SRC. Android Studio build folder for Android SRC. Inside the www folder, all source codes are there. Next, this is for the document. You can view all document details. The abstract and PPT free download in our websites. You can full document in PHP, full document in Android. You can view the full document in Android. This is for the full document in Android. There are 13 chapters available in the document. The UML diagrams are available in 8 or 9 UML diagrams are available. Next, this is for the web folders, PHP source code. This is for the README files. This is for the SQL files, database storage files. This is for the local APK. Go to the README files. You can view all the README files in the details. This is for the database name. You can view the all credential detail also. Let's see how to start the Android project. First, open the XAMPP control panel and open it. Apache is a package server, MySQL is a database storage. Start Apache and start MySQL. Start MySQL admin button. It promote open web browser. Now database is open in left side. Further it see this project. Next open the Android Studio and open it. It left side import the Android SRC folders. This is for the files. Below minimize button you can see the AVD manager icon. Click and open it. Click here launch buttons. Now emulator is loaded. This is how to start the Android project. Let's move the app explanation. Open eVigilance app. These are the eVigilance app. There are 3 modules: Officer, Admin, User. Let's move the admin login. Click admin login. Enter admin email ID and password. Click login. Login successful. Admin will manage the models like create officer, create department, create locations. First go to the create department. You can click the department. If you want to create a new department like civil, water, anything you can enter it. I will enter demo department create names transport. What are the creates? You can view the department list. If you want to update, if you want to delete, options are there. Now come back to the home page. Next go to the location. If you want to create a new city, for example Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, click create city. What are the city created? You can view the city list. If you want to update or if you want to delete, options are there. Now come back to the home page. Next go to the my profile. If you want to update options are there. Now come back to the home page. Next, if you want to create a new officer, you can click officer. Create a new officer like name, email, enter all the details. Choose the location. What location create the admin side, you can choose a location. Next you can choose a department. What are the departments are there? EB, water, anything you can choose it. Click register. Enter the only 8-digit password are valid. Click register. registered successfully. What are the created? You can view the view officer. You can view the if you want to update or if you want to delete option the other. Next, now come back to the home page. Next, go to the feedback. What are the user side create the feedback? You can view the feedback details. What the department, what locations, anything you can view it. Next, now come back to the home page. Click all reported. Who are all registered the complaint arise or anything you can enter it. You can view the details. What are the complaint arise? You can view all the reports are there in admin panels. Now log out the admin models. Next, go to the user login. If you want to create a new user, you can click sign up. You can enter the user register details like name, email, password, enter all the details. Now going to the user logins, enter the user email ID and password. You can click login successful. This is for the user models. If you want to create a new complaint, you can click post complaint. Enter the complaint details like name, landmark, door number, enter all the details. Choose the location. What location you can choose it. Next, we can choose a complaint department. What are the complaint you can arise a department? What department you can choose it. Enter the complaint. For example, EB connect not getting. You can anything you can enter it. Complaint created successfully. What are the complaint created? You can go to the status. You can click status. You can view the complaint details. What are the create the complaint? You can view the details. The status are now pending. Only officer will manage in the status. You can view recent solution complaint notes. You can only officer will manage this. If you want to update the map, upload photos, feedbacks are there. If you want to upload the photos, you can click upload photos. You can choose a file. You can click submitted. Image successfully uploaded. If you want to update the map, you can click update map. Drag and drop the red bubbles. Updated successfully. You can, if you want to update the map, you can automatically capture the latitude and longitude. If you want to give the feedback, you can click feedback. Once I created the feedback, you can click submit it. Submit it. Feedback submitted successfully. Next, you can click the my profile. You can view the profile details. If you want to update options are there. Now come back to the home page. Next go to the admin info. What are the admin side? You can view the profiles. Now come back to the home page. Now log out the user models. Let's move the officer login. You can click the officer. Enter the officer email ID and password. Click login. Login successful. Officer will manage the models like complaint status, update status. You can click a complaint. What are the users who create the complaint? You can view the complaint and you can update the status. And you can upload the photos, completed proof also you can add it. If you want to update the status, you can click update status. You can choose a status on progress, rejected, completed, anything you can choose it. Enter the reason. Anything you can enter the reasons. Next you can enter the solutions or remedies. Next you can enter the complaint note. You can click the post submitted successfully. The status are now updated. The status are now completed. Updated the recent solutions also updated. If you want to complete the proof, you can add the completed proof. You can click the photo. You can upload the images, completed images. Click submit it. Images uploaded. If you want to show map, you can show map. Now come back to the home page. You can click the report. If a total number of the pendings number, on progress, completed, anything you can view it. Now come back to the home page. Next you can click the customer. Who are all register the user, you can view the customer details. Now come back to the home page. You can view the feedback. What are the users I create the feedback, you can view the officer side. Now come back to the home page. Now log out the officer models. Next move the user login. You can click user login. Enter user email ID and password. Click login. Login successful. You can click status. Officer side update the status. You can view the status completed. Recent solution. Anything you can view it. Now log out the user models. Let's move the admin login. Click admin login. Enter admin email ID and password. Click login. Login successful. Click all report. What are the complaint arise the user side, you can view all the report in the admin models. If you want to stay locations, you can search for Bangalore, you can easily find the details. What are the department, what problem, what are the status, you can all view in the admin panels. Count also you can view it. Now log out the admin models. Our demo is completed now. Thank you.